Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to add a pin onto your REALME P3. Let's begin! First, let's simply head into our settings. Then, scroll down a little and enter Security and Privacy. Here, we can see a big warning, set a screen lock, but there is a very high chance that you might already have it. So, let's simply skip past that, because most people won't even see it. And right here we see Device Unlock. We want to click it, and we want to go into Screen Lock. Here we have few different modes to choose from, and of course we want to go for PIN, because this is indeed a PIN tutorial. We have an important notice which basically says that you don't want to be stupid and you probably don't want to forget your password, because otherwise you will have trouble. And now we can set lock screen password, which has to be 6 digits long. Previously it was allowed to be 4 digits, but they've bumped up this value to 6 digits for more usage. And we do see that my password is too common. This is because my password is 123456. 123456, yep. But of course I'm going to ignore that. But to be fair, you probably want to input something more specific. And now we can turn on fingerprint unlock, and which will allow us to unlock our phone not via the numeric pin, but via the fingerprint. But I'm not going to bother with that. We do have other tutorials on our channel on how to do it. And that's all for this video. Now, as you can see, whenever we lock our screen, we first need to input our password. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.